Let's take a tour inside Numero, the telecom app that provides you with a unique set of services to help you stay connected wherever you are. It's very easy to use. Download it now and start browsing the services from the home page that looks exactly like your mobile phone screen. Want a phone number? Get real phone numbers without SIM cards in over 90 countries, including USA mobile numbers to register in apps and websites, and toll-free numbers for companies. Receive calls for free and make affordable calls. Choose a credit pack. Or get local calling plans for over 20 countries to make international calls at local rates. Save on expensive roaming bills and the trouble of connecting while traveling with eSIM data plans. Buy and activate the plans before traveling and will auto-activate on arrival. Be online throughout your trip in over 150 countries. All of this plus other real phone features like call forwarding, voicemail, and private number. Numero suits everyone by providing so many offers and calls bundles, different subscription plans, multiple payment options, and a dedicated section to collect coins and get free USA mobile numbers. With a support team available for your assistance around the clock. What are you waiting for? Join over 13 million users. Download Numero now.